The Rolls-Royce Phantom is a luxury sedan that embodies the pinnacle of automotive excellence. With a rich history dating back to 1925, the Phantom has been synonymous with opulence, refinement, and unparalleled craftsmanship. The Phantom's exterior design is a masterclass in elegance and sophistication, with a majestic presence that commands attention. The car's sleek lines, precise proportions, and exquisite detailing create a visual feast that is both timeless and contemporary. The iconic Rolls-Royce grille, adorned with the Spirit of Ecstasy figurine, is a symbol of the brand's heritage and excellence. Inside, the Phantom's cabin is a sanctuary of luxury and refinement, where every detail has been meticulously crafted to provide an unparalleled driving experience. The finest materials, including premium leathers, polished woods, and intricate metalwork, are carefully selected and crafted to create a truly bespoke environment. The Phantom's spacious interior accommodates passengers in sublime comfort, with ample legroom, headroom, and luxurious amenities. The Phantom's powertrain is a marvel of modern engineering, with a range of powerful and refined engines that deliver effortless performance and silky smooth refinement. The car's advanced all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension ensure a composed and confident ride, even in the most challenging driving conditions. With its advanced technology and innovative features, the Phantom offers a driving experience that is both intuitive and enjoyable. The car's intuitive infotainment system, navigation, and connectivity features provide seamless integration with the driver's digital life. Advanced safety features, including lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and night vision, provide enhanced peace of mind and protection. Throughout its history, the Phantom has been the preferred choice of royalty, heads of state, and discerning individuals who demand the very best. With its unmatched luxury, refinement, and craftsmanship, the Rolls-Royce Phantom continues to set the standard for ultra-luxury motoring. As a testament to its enduring appeal, the Phantom has been the subject of numerous bespoke commissions, where discerning owners have worked closely with Rolls-Royce designers and craftsmen to create truly unique and personalized vehicles. These one-off creations showcase the Phantom's versatility and the brand's commitment to catering to the most exacting tastes. Whether cruising through the city or traversing the countryside, the Rolls-Royce Phantom is the ultimate symbol of success, sophistication, and refinement. Its presence is unmistakable, its performance unparalleled, and its luxury unmatched. For those who demand the very best, the Phantom is the ultimate automotive experience.